Word practice th or the. Bath, hath, puth, beth, doth, moth, pith, with, thang, thong, thorn, thud, thick, thin, think, thing. Than, that, this, them, then, thus. Beth gets a pet bird. Would, should, tree. Mother, I wish I had a pet bird, said Beth, as she sat under the thorn tree. What bird would you like? I think I should like to have a bird that sings. Well, we shall ask Father if you may have one. The day after, Father sent a man from the bird shop with a bird for Beth. In the morning, Dick has a bath. In and out he jumps until his wings are wet. Then he hops onto his bar and sings his morning song.